Yo, welcome everyone. Bitcoin has been pushing higher directly towards a major volume area of resistance, and that's also why the weekly candle does have quite a significant wick. The next 72 hours are going to be decisive, so try to pay attention. And you most probably know we have been paying attention towards our volume levels on Bitcoin for the past couple of days. A perfect bounce at the bottom of our volume area of support, and a very nice rotation directly towards the upside, towards the last major volume area of resistance. Even a couple of hours ago on Twitter, I posted that I want to see higher targets to be reached on Bitcoin at approximately 91,200 US dollars. I said this is the level I want to get hit on Bitcoin in the coming hours, simply because it's an important area of resistance, and also because once you pay attention to the major liquidations cluster, clearly our major level on Bitcoin was 91,200 US dollars, where unfortunately a lot of short positions have gotten liquidated. This specific liquidations cluster has been aligning very nicely with the value area high, and that is why Bitcoin for the past couple of hours has been seeing a very small rejection straight towards downside. But the thing is, because we have gotten this very nice bounce towards the upside, yes, our current weekly candle on Bitcoin does look very nice and actually bullish. But the thing is, it is going to close in the next 72 hours, or to be exact, in the next 3 days and 11 hours. If we are able to close our current weekly candle something like that, it is actually going to be the second bullish candle in a row that closed as a bullish pin bar. Bullish candlestick pattern, bullish Bitcoin indication. That is why I do remain in all of my long or buy positions, not only on Bitcoin, also for example on XRP, and literally on majority of my altcoins. And later in the video, yes, we are going to do some technical analysis on Ethereum as well, and also on XRP, because most probably in the next couple of hours, both of them are going to hit some very important levels you should definitely pay attention to. But there is right now a very slight problem. Until our weekly close, we still need to wait 3 days. But with the entire move towards the upside, once we pay attention to the volume, it does look like we are not really looking extremely bullish. Yes, on the Bybit chart right now, paying attention on the 2-hour time frame, it clearly does look like we definitely have gotten some volume coming in the market on the entire move up. But there is right now a very slight problem once you pay attention to the charts of Coinbase right here, and also of Bitstamp. Bitstamp volume going lower and lower on the entire move towards the upside, and also paying attention to the volume on the Coinbase chart. Yes, Bitcoin has been pushing higher, but volume has been going lower and lower. And that is why the entire move towards the upside is unfortunately not supported by any major volume coming in the market, which unfortunately means that potentially in the next couple of hours, we can be expecting some kind of a retracement, some kind of a push towards the upside on the Bitcoin chart itself. And let me right now to share with you the first very important level you should pay attention to. Some people are going to say that, yes, the point of control in this case is going to be the first major level. And I would actually say, if you are shorting Bitcoin at approximately this specific area, first take profit at the point of control is quite smart, simply because the level is also aligning with the anchored VWAP, which right now means that first local area of support is coming in at 89,200 US dollars. However, personally, I would definitely not take another long or a buy position at this specific level, simply because it's not the biggest area of support. The bigger area of support on Bitcoin is going to be slightly lower. And before we do talk about it, I would really appreciate for you to smash up the like button, because 800 likes are definitely possible. And also, thank you for subscribing to the channel. Let me right now do share with you what is going to be the first major volume area of support on Bitcoin in a case our point of control and our anchored VWAP right here are going to be lost and broken towards downside. Because the reality is, a lot of people have been longing exactly at the area of resistance only a couple of hours ago. Remember what we said yesterday. Once Bitcoin is going to hit our liquidations cluster right here, once we are going to hit the value area high, we are not interested taking any brand new long or buying positions right here. And even on Twitter, I actually said to you literally yesterday that I did pay myself, I took some profit of my long trade. Yes, ideally I went higher, but nevertheless, at the area of resistance, we are potentially only interested to fire another short or a sell position. But the reality is, majority of the market is doing completely opposite. A brand new higher high was formed on this CVD indicator, which means brand new buying pressure is coming in the market, not able to push the price higher. That is also why we got a brand new lower high right here, bearish absorption, bearish divergence right here, bearish Bitcoin indication. So let's right now approach the chart very logically. Because we are trading at the area of resistance, because we got a bearish divergence right here, because we have taken so much liquidity above the recent highs, of course, a move towards downside has been expected. Now, the only question is this specific support level right here going to hold and Bitcoin does see already another push towards the upside, or are we going to go slightly lower? So if you're shorted right here, first take profit area where Bitcoin is trading as of right now, in my opinion, it is a very nice level. However, I am not taking another long position right here, simply because the bigger, the better, the stronger area of support on Bitcoin is actually slightly lower. What exactly do I have in mind? Once we are measuring the entire move towards the upside with our Fibonacci retracement, you can notice that the golden Fibonacci ratio comes in at approximately 85,400 US dollars. This specific level is aligning very nicely also with the recent low, which means we also have some liquidity right here. And additionally, once we are going to go with our high-term timeframe levels, it really does look like daily high-term timeframe area of support at approximately 86,100 US dollars. So let's say like that right now. Yes, Bitcoin does have right now the first support level, exactly where we are trading as of right now, but also something I posted about on Twitter only a couple of hours ago that is also maybe going to open your eyes. I said the goal isn't to catch every move. The goal is to catch the right ones. Yes, we can expect maybe even right now another higher high if we are going to bounce from this specific area. However, I am only interested in taking the best A++ setups. And the best setup that I see as of right now is actually taking another long or buying position at approximately 86,300 US dollars, because it is simply going to be a better level versus the area where Bitcoin is trading as of right now. Yes, I am, as I said before, holding some very nice long positions already, but nevertheless, if the opportunity is offered to us in the next couple of hours and Bitcoin actually does continue lower, this is the first level you should definitely pay attention to. Also because on the 1 hourly time frame, we are as of right now seeing the first bullish indication, which is going to be the bullish cross on our exponential moving averages. Once we are applying the EMAs on our chart, you can clearly see bullish cross was confirmed only a couple of hours ago, but the thing is, this bullish cross is right now confirmed only on the 1 hourly time frame. 2 hourly and 4 hourly time frames are as of right now still saying to us Bitcoin is moving in an average downtrend. So still be slightly more careful if you're going to be longing at approximately 86,000 US dollar area right here. But nevertheless, because it's a nice support level, we can simply then fire a long position, stop loss below the recent low, targeting clearly another higher high or at least our daily high term time frame level at approximately 84,000 US dollars. Now, if you also want to trade with us, you can as of right now still secure some insane free bonuses using the links down below. Bybit Exchange is offering to you a 30,000 US dollar bonus after you register, after initial deposit, and also after you're going to create some volume. But nevertheless, with the bonus right here, you can then simply open another free trade. Additionally, BitUnix Exchange is without KYC, without VPN, offering to you also a very nice bonus where additionally you're going to get VIP level 3 and 10 USDT only on a sign up that is right now unfortunately capped to only 300 users. You have also some insane deposit rewards right here, but nevertheless, take advantage of the bonuses using the links down below and simply fire another free trade. Now, let's also also pay attention right now to our higher targets, because we know right now, yes, Bitcoin can potentially bounce at this specific area, or potentially if we are going to go lower, also at approximately 86,000 US dollars. Our higher targets are going to be our daily and also our weekly level at approximately 96,000 US dollars, or I would simply say we are targeting another higher high right here. Those are going to be our higher targets on the Bitcoin chart itself. But also, as promised, we need to pay attention to what Ethereum has been doing for the past couple of hours, and also what XRP is doing as of right now once Bitcoin is trading at such an important area of resistance. We can first of all pay attention to Ethereum, because Ethereum for the past couple of hours is simply following Bitcoin. We got a very nice push toward the upside, but also if Bitcoin is right now going to continue higher, we can be expecting also higher targets on the Ethereum chart itself. And here you also need to pay very close attention. Ideally on Ethereum, we want to see another higher high being formed in the next couple of hours. What exactly do I have in mind? Once we are going with a line chart, you can clearly notice we have our recent high, we have our recent low, another lower high, another lower low. We need to take out this specific high for us to then confirm bullish market structure on the 4-hour time frame. That is then going to mean another higher high was formed, some kind of a double bottom pattern, some kind of a W pattern. A higher high means bullish market structure, and we are then going to look for another higher low and continuation towards the upside. Ethereum is right now definitely trading at some very important levels, and we should really, sooner rather than later, take out this specific high at approximately 2,500 US dollars. Now, additionally, what is the most important level we have been paying attention to on Bitcoin as well? It is simply going to be a major diagonal area of resistance once we are connecting our lower highs. This is the exact same level I would be paying attention to on Ethereum as well. But on Ethereum, I am drawing the level slightly differently. We are going to go right now on the line chart and simply connect only our candle closes. So we are going to go literally from this specific high and connect our lower highs, and you're right now going to notice how nicely this specific diagonal level has been respected. Once Ethereum goes and first of all forms another higher high bullish market structure, breaks our diagonal level, happy days for Ethereum, and we are literally going to look for most probably literally a brand new all-time high to be formed on this specific chart. Now, maybe you are right now also wondering, what can we expect on XRP? For XRP, first of all, I am maybe even going to be interested to fire another short or a sell position, because we are right now seeing a push toward the upside, and the first area of resistance is going to be the golden Fibonacci ratio, the value area high, aligning also very nicely with the recent high right here for liquidity purposes. So yes, to be honest, I'm interested in taking another short or a sell position on XRP at approximately $2.7, because it's simply going to be quite a significant and major area of resistance. As you can see right here, I also do have an alert set on XRP literally at $2.7, because if we do see push towards the upside, this is then going to be another level I am potentially prepared to trade. Now, in comparison to Bitcoin and Ethereum, XRP is already seeing some kind of a bullish indication, simply because we are able to break quite a significant diagonal area of resistance already towards the upside. This specific diagonal has not been broken on Bitcoin and also has not been broken on Ethereum, but on the XRP chart, as you can see right here, we are able to trade above it. This, in my opinion, is as of right now quite a significant bullish indication on the XRP chart itself. However, once you then go also with the exponential moving averages, for example on the 4-hour time frame, we are clearly still trading in a downtrend. That is why I am telling you, if the area of resistance is going to be hit at approximately $2.7, I am potentially prepared to take another short or a sell position on this specific chart. I'm also going to potentially short Bitcoin and also Ethereum, but nevertheless, the better level, the best level that I do see as of right now, it is actually offered to us on XRP at approximately $2.7. So you right now know my exact plan where I'm looking for new trades, not only on XRP, also on Bitcoin, in a case we do right now see slightly lower targets right here, but nevertheless, overall speaking, I do remain in all of my major long or buy positions literally on the entire cryptocurrency market. And also, if you want to trade with us, take advantage of the free bonuses using the links down below after you register and after initial deposit, without KYC and without VPN. And also thank you for smashing up the like button.